I ran the crane, it works fine. Outriggers work fine. Welder started. A little cold natured. Little paint messing there on that. I can't tell that it's ever had a PTO compressor on it, but I feel like it did have something because there's some air tanks under there. Got a dent there in that door. There are some tanks underneath the truck, and over on the passenger side there's a it's been disconnected, but there's like a drain that you used to drain the tanks with, and I don't think these tanks down the middle, I know you just want to see, I don't know if you can see that. If not, I'll send a picture of it. The air compressor, I couldn't get to start. The battery's dead on it. It's got this remote. I don't know if that's even hooked up. It looks like someone just put a brand new compressor on it. AC works good. Front tires look really good. Back tires, they're fair. They're not, I mean, they're not great at all. Paint chip messing there, scratch. Chrome peeling right there. Yeah, I think they had pretty new tires on the front. Little paint messing there. That's just mainly, there's a little bit of surface rust, no real rust. There's the drain I was talking about that's been disconnected. The crane is like in a really good shape, so those 21 hours may be correct. There's some surface rust here, like they had something sitting there causing it rubbing. Looks like I had my finger over the camera when I was getting the crane, but bed and crane's in really good shape. Got a few things in there, I don't even know what all is there. Same thing, these tires ain't very good. I mean, they're not bad, but they're not much to speak about. Couldn't get the compressor started. The battery's dead. I'll have to have someone look at it. The outriggers did work. A little bit of if this thing here